Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a makeup tutorial. As you guys can see by the description, the thumbnail, and this deep face. So today I focus on the color orange. This is like the orange color of my rainbow series. The next color probably
red, orange, yellow.
Probably won't be yellow. It'll probably be pink. But I mean, I'm maybe yellow, but probably pink. You guys want to see how I got this look? Just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you can't tell by the background, I moved. I moved. My job is, I'm in a different position at my job. I demoted myself. Life has been all over the place. But we are back into full-time filming because I love doing my makeup and I'm not giving that up for anybody. Bree just said, are you home? Like, yeah. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I know it's going to be orange. I know it's going to be bright, and I'm here for it. It just depends on where my face takes me, where my mood takes me. This is going to be a full voiceover. I'm going to be watching Reddit stories in the background. And as you guys can tell, I have some makeup on, not a lot. I literally have liquid blush, mascara, and my eyebrows, but I don't have concealer on them or anything. And instead of taking my makeup off, I was just like, okay, I'm just going to work over that. I'm actually going to be putting coconut oil on my face. That way it's easier to take off and the makeup doesn't really sit in my pores because I am kind of starting to break out and I don't want to really set my skin into place with that. So I'm not going to be using a primer. Definitely just going to be using some coconut oil or something like that. But without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm taking the lightest color from this e.l.f. palette to go ahead and create a nice pale base for my eyeshadow today. Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. I will wait for you. So I'm taking a nice mauve brownish color and blending that in all into my crease to create a nice transition shade. And then I'm going in with a nice bright orange and starting to build that base color and start building dimension on my eye. I'm taking a bright red and I'm putting that in my inner corner and my outer corner and blending it all together into the crease. I'm going in with more orange and putting that above that crease color and kind of blending it back into the original orange that we did and blending it towards my eyebrow bone. I'm making sure to blend everything out, that way it blends evenly, and then I'm taking it under my eye as well to really kind of give myself a smokier look. I'm taking a bright red shadow on a small concealer flat kind of brush and just putting it in that crease, but I'm making sure I'm just super focused and like localized in one area. Now we're blending everything out. I'm taking that orange again and patting it into the center and towards the outer corner of my eyelids.
Oh, okay, sir.
Run out the street to a penthouse. Straight out the street to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah. Niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to the beat. They don't want it. I beat. These niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the IG disease. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club.
I'm taking that same bright red and hyper focusing on the outer corners of my eyelids again.
Bitch, watch your mouth. Bitch, stay in your place. Bitch, get out the way. My bitch on.
I'm taking a flat brush and going in with that bright yellow. I have wet my brush at this point, so the color is going to show up a little bit darker until it dries. But I just went in and did this on both sides repeatedly until I got the pigment that I wanted and liked on both sides.
Out of the snake, I take the soul out of the snake. Then I see the bills up out of the paint. The blog and the media fake. Shout it DM me, I'm straight. I'm not gonna bite on the bait. Sipping on toxic waste. On the low with your bitch in this great. Mask on the face, Jason. Watch it, that's how we in shape. If I go bro, she gon' leave, escape. She gone. I put 2 million in the safe, just in case. Don't go my way.
So as you can see, the left eye is looking a little bit splotchy. It's because I was working with wet brushes and wet pigment from my eyeshadow, and when it dried, it all dried. Same pigment and very bright and very vibrant.
My seed put it up, no cure for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
I'm wiping the excess shadow off my face before going with foundation and concealer.
They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. Mouth's too set.
Right now, I'm just perfecting that inner corner, like how bright it is, because I did want to do a cut crease originally, but that didn't happen. So I'm trying to basically cut the crease without having to do a cut crease, if you feel me.
Need to get a response. I know that mean the traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta.
I'm going back in with that red shadow on the outer corners to blend everything out and into. And I think it just gives your look a little bit more volume and character.
Hey, everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. If us, you all hate me, bitch. Read my problems and suck my dick. That talking, I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta.
I'm taking a pencil brush to do the same thing I did with the yellow eyeshadow and pretty much just carve out that crease, since I didn't do an actual cut crease this look.
To the ground, see me win. They gotta hurt. Ooh, ooh, ouch. So when they see me, what they gonna do, bitch? Not from the couch, back.
Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Putting that orange eyeshadow on the outer corners of my waterline and the yellow one on the inner corners of my waterline. If I had eyeliner, this would have made this a million times easier. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already have eyeliner. Well, it's not eyeliner, it's literally just black eyeshadow. I was gonna try and keep it on the lid on this side. It kind of got over, so what I'm gonna do is just drag it out on both the sides and use a smudge brush and really like smudge it in. Black eyeshadow is so scary. Like, I've already done my foundation. And that red eyeshadow kind of on the brush still. And what I'm doing now is literally just blending out the edges because I already got my concealer. So now I'm just blending out the edges. This look turned out way better than I thought it would. The peach, and I'm going to go into my inner corner to give me that sparkle. I'm trying to be very intentional because I have black eyeshadow on already. I should have done this before even. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Take LA Vibes. It's a gold color because it's easier for me to get it out the pot, to be honest, and I think it'll look really, really good, like that nice gold in the inner corner. Oh yeah. Yeah. Get into it though. The gold is pressed in that corner. I'm gonna take that same brush I used to line my eyes and go right back over that inner area. Normally I would do a cat eye. What I'm doing is just kind of getting the shadow on the inner corner, but not like a full-blown cat eye. Honestly, I'm getting darker. My foundation shade is so light for me now, and my concealer. But I'm about to put some lashes on, make myself look like a bad bitch, and come back to y'all with the finished look. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, like, yeah, I might do my hair. I'm gonna take hella pictures because y'all, my man is outside.
He needs to take his ass in the fucking house.
So y'all, this is the finished look. I feel like it was crazy in person. This edible is whooping my little behinds. And I think the look ate. Like, I really think the look eats. But I'm about to get into my next video. I'm trying to pre-record. That way tomorrow I can just edit and I can take some pictures and stuff tonight. I can have like content to post throughout April. But if you guys made it this far, thank you for watching. Watch my last video in this series, which is the red smoky eye, and go ahead and watch my what would Eva do videos also, because I'm definitely gonna be way more consistent posting that than probably anything else, because it's super easy, super sit down, super chill kind of video. But bye y'all, thanks for watching.
Okay.